Hi there, and welcome back to Fantastic Love and Healthy Living. Today, we'll be exploring Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a popular supplement designed to support weight loss, improve metabolism, and enhance digestion. This video will provide an in-depth look at the ingredients, benefits, and overall effectiveness of this tonic. Let's get started. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is marketed as a natural supplement that targets belly fat, boosts energy levels, and supports overall wellness. What makes it stand out is its unique blend of carefully selected ingredients. Each capsule is inclusive of 8 natural ingredients carefully collected to target the cause of weight gain and poor quality sleep. These ingredients include valerian root, Valeriana radix, hops, Humulus lupulus, 5-HTP, Griffonia simplicifolia, berberine, Berberis vulgaris, spirulina blue, Arthrospira platensis, black cohosh, Actia racemose, lutein, carotenoid family, and inulin, fructo-oligosaccharides. Here's a breakdown of what each ingredient offers. Valerian root promotes relaxation and better sleep, helping to reduce stress. Hops reduce anxiety and stress, supporting mental balance during weight management. 5-HTP boosts serotonin levels to regulate mood and reduce stress, keeping you motivated. Berberine supports blood sugar regulation, metabolism, and may assist in fat loss. Spirulina blue is a superfood packed with antioxidants that boost energy and immune function. Black cohosh reduces inflammation and supports metabolism, especially for hormonal balance. Lutein is an antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and promotes overall wellness. Inulin, a prebiotic fiber, promotes healthy digestion and gut health, which are essential for weight management. Together, these ingredients aim to reduce belly fat, improve energy, and support digestion while promoting overall well-being. The ingredients in Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic work together to provide several benefits. Its calming components, such as valerian root and hops, reduce stress and improve sleep quality. The combination of inulin and spirulina supports gut health, while berberine enhances metabolism and energy levels. Although the tonic may not deliver rapid fat-burning results, its effects on digestion, energy, and mood can complement a balanced diet and exercise routine. The supplement is generally well tolerated with no major side effects. However, ingredients like valerian root and hops may cause mild drowsiness in some individuals. Taking it in the evening might be a better option for those who are sensitive. Here's a quick summary of the pros and cons. Pros: a well-rounded ingredient profile supporting digestion, stress relief, and mood. Provides natural energy without causing jitters. A gentler formula compared to more intense weight loss supplements. Cons: fat reduction results may take time and are not immediate. Some ingredients may be unfamiliar and require further research. The product is on the higher end of the price spectrum. In conclusion, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a great addition to a wellness routine. While it is not a magic fix for belly fat, it provides valuable benefits for digestion, mood, and energy. For best results, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. If you've tried Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, feel free to share your experience. And click the link in the description below if you are interested in learning more about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fantastic Love and Healthy Living for more in-depth reviews and health tips. Thank you for watching.